Say good morning.
Daddy said he didn't know.
You didn't know?
Mommy, but I love you so much.
I love you so much too. Kiss mommy. Just wait
My
to
daddy's so little.
Huh?
I love Daddy little.
Little. You're so silly.
I like Daddy
So little. Okay. Say good morning. Mia's going to the dentist today.
Yeah!
Yay, she's excited. Okay, go get ready then. Come on.
Hey!
Go brush your teeth. Eat breakfast. This is Mia's feet today. So this is what you're going to wear today. Rainbow pants
Wow!
and peanut jumper.
I know.
And your singlet. What size ito? Size 2. Baka ano na. We will see. Makapal kasi siya. Parang fleece siya sa loob. Okay, let's go. Brush teeth.
I said it's raining.
Yeah, I think it's gonna rain today.
I think it's raining too.
Yeah, I think it's gonna rain today. Come on, let's go, baby. Come on, quick.
Maybe
Ayaw pa niya bumangon. Hello, people. We are in the car. Going to the dentist. Are you excited, Mia?
Yeah.
Excited to see the dentist? Ay, maingay yung ating pa-music. Baka makapiright tayo. Anyway, yeah. May appointment kami ng 9:30. Wala. Anong oras na ba? Si Mia meron siyang check-up every 6 months ata. Yeah. 6 months or 3 months? I can't remember. Feeling ko 6 months. Kasi after this, meron na naman siya ulit. Nakabook na yun actually. I think that is 6 months. So yeah, after ng kanyang dentist, we will drop her sa daycare. Yeah, Mia. And it's raining, guys. Today is raining.
Mommy, the rain is making it clean.
Yeah, the rain is making our car clean. Yeah, we are here. Uy. Let's go, guys. Grabe yung ulan man. Naririnig niyo ba? Umuulan ng bongga. Anyway, I have my wallet. How do you guys hear? Bye.
Tuesday we going to school too?
Tuesday we go to school. Yeah, today is Tuesday. So you go to school.
And
Look, people! Mia's got this cute puppet bag.
Puppet.
Just got 2 presents from the dentist. She is so good there.
I have 2 presents.
She's got 2 presents and she's got this glittery, beautiful bracelet.
And I got a beautiful puppet bag.
You got a beautiful puppet bag. And the dentist really likes her. Yeah, you're amazing there. You did a great job. High five, Mommy. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Alright. She did a great job. Okay, we gotta go to drop Mia sa daycare. Because it's Tuesday today. Daycare day today. Aga pa. What time is it? It's now 10:10 in the morning. Alright. Let's go. Look at you. You're so cute with your ano.
Mama, where we go now?
We're gonna cross. We gotta go to the car.
Why, Mommy?
Come on.
We going home?
Ah?
We going home?
No, we're going to daycare or school. Quick. Oh, it's raining again. Put it on your head. Sana talaga nakapayong. Come on, dali. Come Come on. Go, go, go. There's a car coming. Come here. It's so good.
Mom, is that a hamster?
The what?
Is that one the hamster you're holding? Your hand?
Which one?
The hamster. That one?
Hamster? What hamster?
The hamster.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I said Mommy loves the hamster.
No, Mamila's got the hand sore. That's why we have to go to the doctor. It's ouchy, Mamila's hand.
Why, Mommy? Mommy, what's Mama's hand hurting?
She hurt herself somewhere.
You know?
At work, maybe. Hinihintay ko na lang siya matapos ng kanyang bread, guys. Ngayon ko lang naalala.
Let's go to the dentist.
Yeah, we went to the dentist. We went to the dentist. I forgot to give it to her kanina. Sabi ko, ibigay ko sa kanya after dentist. Ngayon ko lang naalala na nandito na kami sa labas ng daycare niya, guys. So, kakain ko muna sa kanya. Kasi tapos na yung morning tea nila, 10 na. Tapos 12 pa yung lunch. So, drop lang natin siya. Tapos pick up natin si Mamila. Tapos, punta tayo ng doctor's appointment. May appointment din ako. So, after niya, 11:15 siya. Ako, 11:45. So, baka pwede din naman, ano na lang, isahan na lang. Kasi the same doctor lang din naman kami, ang GP. Kailangan ko kasi malaman yung result ng x-ray tsaka ultrasound ko for my botox. Kasi sumasakit siya at pina-x-ray and pina-ultrasound. So, I can see the result naman, pero syempre, kailangan ko ng explanation. Okay naman, parang wala namang problema dun sa mga nabasa kong results. Na okay naman nakalagay dun. Gusto ko lang i-confirm na okay talaga. Kasi parang hindi naman siya sumasakit ngayon. Before kasi, grabe talaga, guys. Pag sumasakit siya, hindi ako makalakad. Akala ng GP before, parang na ano lang, parang na ano lang ng baby, na hit ba yung veins ko or something like that, yung ugat. Sabi ng GP before, kasi nung nagpa last check up ko sa kanya, yung check up for the baby, sinabi ko din na sumasakit yung botox ko dito. So parang pag sumasakit siya, hindi ako makalakad. So sabi niya baka naipit lang ng bata. Sabi ko baka nga din, kasi hindi talaga ako makalakad. So, after na manganak, sumasakit pa din siya, guys. So, sabi ko, hindi ito sa baby. There's something wrong. Kaya, pina-x-ray, pina-ultrasound. So, ayun. Hanggang ngayon, sabi nila, tatawagan nila ako if dumating na yung result. Pero, hindi pa nila ako tinawagan. So, ako na yung nag-book. So, since si mama magpapa-GP, nag-book na din ako for myself. Para sabay na lang kami. Are you done, my love? Yeah. Okay. Mommy have to pick up Mamila na. So we can go to the doctor. And the dentist asked you if you wanna work there? You wanna work there with them? Yeah? You wanna be a dentist now? Yeah? I thought you wanna be a doctor. So you changed your mind? You wanna be a dentist now. Tinanong kasi siya ng dentist kasi gusto siya ng dentist. She did amazing! Sa age niya daw. Like, she's really good sa age niya. Tinanong siya kung gusto niya mag-work doon sa kanila. Okay naman siya, oo daw. You wanna be a dentist now? Are you sure? You gotta change your mind. Naglalaro ako Monopoly, guys. My gosh, yung Monopoly. Na-addict ako sa Monopoly kasi winner naman ikaw talaga. Wanna drink your water? It's raining, guys, and it's so cold. I don't think you're going outside today because it's raining. So
I have my umbrella.
You're not bringing your umbrella there?
Why?
Yeah, no one's gonna use umbrella in there. Because you're just gonna play inside. The educator is not gonna let you go out. The teachers. Because it's raining. Maybe in the afternoon it's gonna stop raining. Do you think it's gonna stop raining in the afternoon? What do you think? You think it's gonna stop?
I
You think so? Okay. You done na, baby? Wow, you did a great job. Okay, drink your water and then we can go. Oh, okay. Finish that one first. You got chocolate in your hands? Mommy forgot to bring wipes. Yeah. Drink your water. And then we go inside. And you can use this to go, but mommy will bring it home, okay? Alright, we dropped Mia off. One of those days na ayaw niya umalis si mommy. Meron talagang days na ganun. Gusto niya si mommy lang ang kasama. Ayaw niya ako umalis, guys. Kasi lahat nasa sila, nasa loob. So, wala masyadong activity. Nasa loob lang sila. And, ayun, kasi umuulan. So, well, she doesn't find it interesting. And, gusto niya lang si mommy. Pero ano naman si Mariah? Mariah gave her a kado. Oh, so that, yeah, I'll just get the parcel here too. Yeah, just back here. Okay, ipipick up lang tayo. And then, pick up mama. Alright, we got it! Ano siya? Skincare from Ate Jen. Ano ba yung last name niya? Ram? Yan. Para to sa sister-in-law ko. She ordered the skincare. Meron pa kasi ako, madami pa. Nag-stop kasi ako gamitin siya nung nabuntis ako, guys. So, madami pa talaga ako dun. Let's go pick up mama. Uy, yung appointment niya 11:15, 11 na, guys. Pero malapit lang naman yung GP. Siguro mga tama 15 minutes drive from here. Sana di tayo mali. We are here. Tawagan na natin.
You okay?
I'm outside.
Oo, sige na.
Okay. Hello. Umuulan.
Yan, dalang rin din din. Obra para boss.
Ito kami ang bus?
Oo. Amo na sa selection. Hindi man busy ang
bus?
kay ang ako kay floor gani ni Persanda wala pa bekat. Wala sa bekat sa akon gani mga tatlo lang sa piyak ni area. Para sa piyak ko isa lang gani. Hindi may busy siguro.
Ayaw ni Mia magpapili.
Ay, pila lang ka daw yung ganing ano? School?
Yeah, Thursday wala siya kay holiday, was it?
Wednesday?
Yeah.
Ano
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Tuesday,
No,
Wednesday kag Thursday?
That was
So, 3 days?
No, Anzac Day was Thursday, diba? Yeah, it was Thursday. Last week?
Last week.
Last week, Thursday. Wala siya nagsunod Thursday kay Anzac Day. So,
Ano na yung class, di ba? Close man na, no? So,
medyo malawig iyang break.
o gani ka na, magkuha naman na siya. Pero pag mag-start naman na, sa excited naman.
No, I think excited na siya galing kay syempre may appointment kami sa dentist. So, pero okay man siya kanina. Mga bala niya man yung school. But, sa ngaran ako to, wala sila dali masyado ginaubra kay nagaulan. So, kakasudod lang nila sa sudod.
Sila kagwa, no?
So, wait na. We are here na, guys. Tapos na tayo dun sa doctor, sa GP. And yung result ko, okay naman. Wala naman daw problema. So, I don't know. Kahit hindi naman siya na sumasakit ngayon. So, nung time lang na ganun. After ko magpa-x-ray, mga 2 to 3 weeks, nawala din yung pain. So, gusto niya lang ako ipa-check up. So, ayun. Okay naman. Which is good. Now, we're gonna go inside. It's raining so hard. But yeah, I'll bring you guys kasi baka mawala kayo dito sa car. MCQ tayo, guys. Oh, ito pala siya. I'm looking for this. And then, ito na lang meron silang brand. Wala ata silang ibang brand. Ito na lang. Yung sa pancake. Ay, ito. Wait, which one? They're the same. Yeah, magkapareha sila. Yung ginagamit ko, wala na. Ito na lang, try natin to. Sa pancake. Andito kami sa MCQ na grocery.
Diba?
Meron din silang kainan dito sa loob. O, diba? Ito lang ata yung MCQ na may kainan sa loob. Ayan, pila na tayo, guys. Nagmamadali na kami ni Mother. Hello, guys. We are home. Kanina pa. Pumunta na kami ni Visa meeting namin. So, kanina nagmamadali na kami ni Mama umuwi kasi malilate kami sa meeting, guys. But yeah, so tapos na yung meeting. We got home and ito na yung mga binili natin from the grocery. I've got chicken bones. Pork bones. Pork bones pala to. Ito yung chicken bones. Ayan. So, hiwain ko na to before ko ilagay sa freezer para pag gusto ko na silang lutuin, kukunin ko na lang yung bag na gusto kong i-defrost, diba? And I have the bansao flour. Ito yung pancake, Vietnamese pancake na flour. And ito naman yung freeze fried powder mix. Pero ginagamit ko siya para sa sweet potato. Tapos nalagyan ko ng cheese. So, ayan. Yan yung ginagamit kong powder. Yakult. Bumili ako ng mangustin. Nung kumakain si Ate Reyes ng, ng mangustin niya, sabi ko, gusto ko din kumain ng mangustin. So, bumili ako. Ano lang siya. Nakabag na siya for 24 something dollars. So, hindi ko alam kung masarap yan, guys. Tinatch ko naman. Maano naman sila. Malambot. I've got the G7 3-in-1 coffee. Masarap to. Vietnamese coffee. And I've got some veggies na hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan kasi magluluto na naman tayo ng sweet and sour soup tonight. For the boys, kangkong. Ito sa, ko nito nabili isang araw. Pinalabas ko lang from the fridge. Meron akong nilagay na isang veggie doon sa fridge. Hindi ko din alam anong tawag doon. Parang spinach tawag niya sa English. Tapos ito, para sa sweet and sour soup. So, lutuin natin yan mamaya. Ay, bumili ako ng banana cube doon sa Filipino shop. Sarap niyan. Di ako nakapag-lunch, guys. Busy yung schedule natin today. 8 o'clock nagising. Mga 9 umalis para sa appointment ni Mia. And then, dinap-off ko siya sa kanyang daycare. Pick up mama around mga 11. Punta sa appointment niya. Tapos appointment ko din. So, mga na kami natapos. Like, 12 siguro. 12. Pumunta na kami ng grocery hanggang 2. Hanggang 2 kami, guys, natapos. Umuwi ako dito mga 2:10 na. And then, diretso sa appointment namin ni Visa meeting. Tapos ito, kakauwi lang namin. It's now 4:20. Kasi sa city yung, sa city yung meeting. So, medyo malayo siya. And yeah. 4:20 na. Ngayon ko pa lang to ilalagay sa fridge. Bumili din ako ng adobo. Para din ako magluto for Mia later. Kasi kumakain naman siya ng sweet and sour soup. Pero soup lang. So, ito adobo. Paborito niya. Nag-order na lang din ako. And for me lang din. Kasi hindi na naman ako kumakain ng sweet and sour soup ng Vietnamese. And meron pa doon. So, this bag. Wala akong dalang bag. Kasi si Mama huli na siya nagsabi na mag-grocery kami. So, di ako nagdala ng sarili kong bag. Kay Mama to. Yung bag na to. So, babalik natin sa kanya. We have pancit canton. Bean sprout dalawa. Kasi, ayan. Yung isa para sa pancake. And yung isa para sa sweet and sour soup mamaya. I-ready ko pa. My gosh. May potato din akong binili. Nasa pack na. This one. So, tinuto ko na siya kasi kakainin ko ito mamaya. Ayan. Ito, guys. $5 yung isang pack. Yan. We have calamansi. Binili ako ng calamansi. $9.99. Almost $10 na. Yung kilo niya, guys. Oh my gosh. So, rice noodles. I have chili. Yung mga chili namin, puro dried na sa fridge. We have condensed milk here. May guava din akong binili. And this one is the Choco. Ayan. This one. Dalawa lang yung binili ko. And then, tomato paste. I also have bawang. And yung maliliit lang na sibuyas. And the luya. Ayan. And that's it from MCQ Supermarket. Ito naman sa Kohl's. Kasi duman si Mama sa Kohl's. We have the Magic Eraser. Ito yung ginagamit ko pang bura ng mga mark sa wall. Kasi diba, white yung paint namin. So, kitang-kita talaga pag may mark siya. So, I use this Magic Eraser and it's really, really good, guys. My gosh, this one. So, merong malaki din ito. Pero, maliit lang yung ginagamit ko. Kasi, ano siya, nakahiwa siya ng maliliit. We have bananas. Bumili din ako ng yogurt. I have the Activia. Ayan, ito siya. Kailangan na ito ilagay sa fridge. Oy, kanina pa ito nasa labas. Mango flavor yung kinuha ko. Milk. And isang Magic Eraser. This is for the bathroom naman na Magic Eraser. Ayan. Hindi ko pa na-try gamitin yung Magic Eraser sa bathroom. Kasi nakalagay na soap scum buster. So, yeah, try natin. And then, maliit lang na cheddar cheese. And pumunta din si Mama kanina sa chemist. So, nakabili ako ng My Beauty na sponge. Ayan. Gusto ko yung ganitong sponge pag nagpa-powder. Triangle powder puffs. Ayan. So, yan lang. Puff siya, guys. Kasi yung ginagamit ko from all covered by Anakay pa yun. And, di ko yun nilalabhan. So, matagal na yun. Feeling ko may mga germs na yun nandun. So, I'm gonna use this instead. Ayan. Yan. Ganon-ganon lang. Super oily natin sa nose. Oh. Ayan. Diba?
Ketchup and the blueberries.
May request na naman tong batang to. She wants Macca's. So, papunta tayo ng Macca's now. Kasi gusto niya ng Happy Meal. How many nuggets? 3 or 6? How many? How many nuggets do you want? 3 only? And what drink?
Lemon juice,
What drink?
blueberry.
Hi, can I please get 3 nuggets Happy Meal?
Was that with an apple juice?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
And can I get large frozen blueberry?
Large frozen blueberry?
Yeah. And an apple pie as well, please.
Oh, you're just traveling forward.
Thank you.
I even got French fries.
Yeah, French fries are ready in the Happy Meal.
Mom, I don't want it.
What's that one? Oh my goodness. Did you eat everything?
Mommy, I don't like it.
Thank you. Yeah.
I don't like this, Mommy.
What is that?
I don't know. I don't want that, Mommy.
Just leave it there. Where's the bag? Put it back. The yellow one. I think you opened it. Thank you. I can't hold it. Thank you. You don't want it. What is it? Meron siyang ano, candy. Binigyan siya ng ano. Meron pa parang party bag yung ano niya. Yung kasama niya sa daycare. No, can you finish your food? Your snack here? You have nuggets here. Stop eating the candy. It's not good. And inopen niya lahat. Puro matatamis. Puro chocolates. Yes, baby. Huh? Want a blueberry? Mommy have to put it. Yeah, you did. You did.
I see it here.
Mia is home. Okay, Mommy's gonna cook dinner, huh? And Mia, this is what Mia got from
Dentist.
the dentist. Yeah. Tapos yung kanyang, eto, suot-suot niya kanina pa. Isinuot niya sa daycare. What is this? Wow, did you do this?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's a, what's this? Watercolor? What's this? Paint?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Okay, mommy will put you this in a cup, okay? Alright, so what do you want to eat first? This one? Ah, the chip is not fresh. This one? Onion nuggets? Okay. You want to open the sweet and sour soup? Sauce? Here you go. Yummy. What did you get? Ah, it's the Pikachu. Pikachu toy. You have this before? You remember you have that before? Okay, mommy will cook, huh? You just eat there? Yeah.
But look, Mommy, watch what I can do.
You just say hi to take me, ah?
No.
No, say hi to take me.
Tag.
Alam nyo guys, may nakalimutan ako. Pineapple for the sweet and sour Vietnamese soup. Yes, Mia? Tapos na tayo kumain ng dinner. Si Mia tapos na nag-adobo lang siya. Ito yung binili kong adobo kanina. What? You hurt yourself. How kiss it, Betcha? Come here. Now?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look what I did. Come.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. Naglaro na naman siya ng
Can it be
experiment.
hot like this? Why so beautiful?
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah, Mommy.
Like that with the heart? Oh, like this.
No, just like this.
You can do this too. Yeah. Heart. Yeah. Beautiful. You mix the colors to have green and orange and purple. Oh, I love it. You know how to mix colors now to make another color? Yeah, good job, baby. Good job. And you also did not make a mess. Well done. Just a little bit over there, but that's okay.
Are you happy I didn't make a mess?
Yeah, you did a great job. Good job. Busy siya dyan. Ako naman busy sa kusina. Tapos na ako maglinis ng mga dishes. Nilagay ko na sa dishwasher.
I put in the fridge.
Alright, let's put in the freezer. Freezer.
Freezer.
Gusto niya ito maging ice. Alright, let's put it in the freezer. It's all there. We have to get it tomorrow na.
It will be wet soon.
So, tapos na tayo sa dishes. Magluto for daddy. Ayan na yung sweet and sour soup. Nandun. Si Mia tapos na kumain. So, ito na lang yung gagawin ko, guys. Kanina pa ako tumatayo. Masakit na yung paa ko. Ito. The chicken bones na binili natin and the soft bones. Kailangan ko sila hiwain para malagay na sa freezer. So, nilagay ko muna sila sa fridge. Kasi hindi ko pa sila magagawa kanina. Ayan. Maganda itong soft bone for caramelized pork. So, gamitin natin ito for caramelized pork. 1 kilo yung binili ko eh. Are you okay there, Mia? You're okay there? Hi! Naglag. Alright, so nalagyan ko na sila ng name. Chicken bones, soft bones. Soft bones, ito for tinola and for caramelized pork. O, diba? Perfect. Susulat na naman siya. Kanina pa kami naka-shower, guys. Daddy's here na.
My secret.
It's your secret? Wow. May laro kasi sino daddy kanina. May game sila. Who won, daddy? Who won? Who won the game? You won? Wow. Unbeating. Oh, so you never lose? You haven't lose yet?
Our team hasn't lose. Everyone lose during the game. It's like 5 games, but our team didn't win.
You win that?
Wow.
Did you win?
Did you win?
Daddy win.
You win?
No.
How did you win?
Gusto niya magsulat yun. Ang pinagsusulat man.
Did you win?
I'm showing people what you did.
Win.
But why didn't you win?
Nan yun man yan.
I let you win. I let you win when you go upstairs. Remember when you're racing upstairs with Daddy? I let you win. And then when we walk watching. Remember when we walk watching? When we walk watching, we race. We run.
Oh, I finish it na and then you go sleep.
I better do it.
You are so silly. You're being silly. Tingnan yung pinagagawa na naman sa toy niya. Pinasok ko na yung isang box. Kasi dito niya pinagkukuha yung kanyang mga toy. So, pinasok ko na lang dito. Parang hindi na siya pabalik-balik dun sa kabila. Ayun, anyway guys, yan yung vlog natin for today. I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe in our channel if you haven't yet. And also don't forget to click the notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when I upload more videos. And if you want to see a beautiful idea, mag-ingay-ingay. Bye guys!